Hi there, everybody. Welcome to another episode of What's My Favorite Plant? And I have today here Heather. Heather is the supervisor of the retail nursery. So she supervises ordering and placement and staff and education and everything here for outside plants. So Heather, today, what is your favorite plant?
My favorite plant is the Spice Girl Korean Spice Viburnum.
I love Korean Spice Viburnum.
Me too. It's got a really lovely spring flower. It's like a cluster, a white cluster of flowers with little pink centers, and it has a really nice fragrance.
It's incredibly fragrant. Like you could walk by it and smell it. You don't have to put your nose right in it. Drifts through a window. Lovely.
And then, so these also have a really nice red fall color, and they're starting to bud now for next season. So don't trim them right now.
I see that, little flowers.
Yeah, and that's why, and I like this one too. It's a lot more compact than the original Korean Spice Viburnum. So this is a selection of Korean Spice Viburnum by JN Selects.
And it's a little more disease resistant. Sometimes the Korean Spice Viburnums, the species they have some fungal issues. And this one is more disease resistant.
Yeah, and so that's why this is my favorite plant. And they're looking beautiful, and they're 30% off right now.
That
so
is
come and
true.
get one.
And we've got a lot of other viburnums too. I noticed over there we had some blueberry muffin.
Blue muffin.
Oh, blue muffin.
Looks like there's another variety of Korea spice. That one's even a little smaller. It's called sugar and spice. And I think that's about it.
They
for
all get
viburnums.
fall color. They're all pretty adaptable. They can take full sun to part shade. They all get great fall color, spring flowers, but the Korean spices are the ones that are super fragrant. So if you're looking for something
a little more ornamental, less woodsy.
Yes, and a little special surprise for you next spring, stop into the garden center, pick up some Korean Spice Viburnum, save 30%. And anything else, Heather?
That's all I can think of, Lisa.
Excellent. Happy gardening from all of us here at the Bruce Company.